So now you can see that there are some other classified advertisements I have written over here. So starting with purchase and rent, we have seen sales, and now we are about to see purchase and rent. So for the purchase we have started. We have the starting required. Start with the required, with the word required. Required is going to be the heading of your purchase classified advertisement, and then name of the object which you are wanting to purchase, which you want to purchase. So the name of the object and the detailed description of the object. What sort of object you want to purchase, and then special features. Once again, as I have told you that in the example of sale, if you are selling your motorcycle, then you must disclose your specifications like average, the color, make, model and type of that vehicle. So in that same manner you have to disclose this special features like accessories and all. And then cost. Once again you have to write the cost in range. There should be a range in the cost you want to purchase that particular commodity. Now what is going to be the ending? Now ending is anyone who wants to sell the above mentioned product can contact name and mobile number. As simple as that. Anyone who wants to sell that above mentioned product can contact name and mobile number. So this is going to be the advertisement, classified advertisement for purchase. Now the next is rent. Now rent, advertisements on rent are of two categories or two types. They run on two categories. What are these two categories? The first category is that when you want to put it on rent, when you want any product, when you want any building or office building, garage, shop, showroom, house, flat, when you are going to put it on rent, then you have to write to let. When you are having your own property and you want to put it on rent, then you have to write to let or available for rent. Available on rent or available for rent. So next is name of the type of the building. Whatever thing or whatever object you are putting on rent, you have to give the name of that object or the building. For example, garage, shop, saloon, flat, house. So this is going to be the name of the building or the name of the object. Now detailed description. For example, if you are putting garage on rent, then what is going to be the detailed description? Like square feet area, like the area in square feet, or the facilities, water supply, electricity supply. So this is going to be your detailed description of that particular product. And facilities, and then after rent. What is the rent you demand for that particular object or for that particular building? What is going to be the rent? So once again, the rent should be given in range. Rent should be given in range. Now what is going to be the ending? Anyone who wants to take above mentioned object on rent, please contact name and mobile number. As simple as that. Now what is going to be the second option of writing this classified advertisement for rent? That is, you want any object or building on rent. Here what you are doing? Here you are giving it on rent. You are the owner of that particular building or object, and you are putting it on rent. And the second thing is, or the second form on which it runs is when you require some object or building on rent. So what is going to be the change if you want or require some object or building on rent? So what is going to be the change? So instead of writing to let and available for rent, you have to write down required once again. Required, then name of the same procedure, name of the building. Required a shop on rent. And then detailed description. What should be the specification? What should be the special features you wanted, like electricity supply, water supply, carpet area, how many square feet area you wanted for that shop, garage, house, flat, or whatever you wanted on rent. So same is going to be the detailed description, and then the facilities, as I have told you. The facilities include like security guards, CCTV cameras. That is called facilities. and then once again rent, which you want that property to take it on rent. Then after you have to disclose rent. So there is no problem at all. Just a simple difference between putting it on rent or taking it on rent. And ending is going to be same. Anyone who wants to take it on rent, anyone who wants to put it on rent, anyone who wants to put it on rent, please contact name and mobile. Next is missing person or pet, fourth category. Missing person or pet. If a person is lost or a pet is lost, then how to draft classified advertisement for that? So starting is going to be, the heading is going to be the missing a person. Name of the person should be given there. Name, missing a person or pet. Then the name. What is the name of that person or the pet that has been lost? And then physical identification. Physical identification includes height, color, age, a special identification mark like a scar on the right eyebrow. So this is going to be a special identification mark. And then after, that is any identification mark, as I have told you, that a scar on the left eyebrow or the right eyebrow. On last is the place from where the thing or where the person or the pet is lost, or the last seen. The place from where the person or the pet is last seen. You have to disclose that place. And then after going here, we have to see the ending. Now ending is anyone having any information regarding above mentioned person or pet, please cooperate and contact name and mobile number. If you want, you can announce for a reward. Informer shall be rewarded suitably. So you can announce reward for that. Now, what is going to be the catch in the missing person or pet classified advertisement? The catch should be the writing style. And what is going to be the writing style of missing person or pet? You have to make it a box, as I have told you. That first of all, you need to make a box that should be open from one side, from the bottom. Here itself you have to make a box that should be open from the bottom. And how we have to write? We have to include a picture in it. Now what is going to be the thing? You have to make or draw a picture here. Once again, I would like to bring it to your notice, I would like to bring it to your attention that no one is going to judge your drawing skills. Just write whatever you can write. Draw a picture somewhat identical to the thing, to the person or the pet you are drawing. For example, if you are drawing a cat, it must somewhat look like a cat. A cat should not look like a dog. So, or a man should look like a man. It should not look like a cat. So, remember this thing, and you have to make a small column in it, as I have made here. And in it you have to draw a picture, and from here itself you have to start writing your advertisement, your content like this. Missing, comma, a person, name, like this here. In this manner you have to write down the whole advertisement. Do not leave this space vacant. Start writing from here itself. Make this box part of your content. Do not leave this box out of the content. Do not exclude this box out of your content. Include this box in your content. So up to now we have completed 5 categories or more than 5 categories. We have sale, purchase and rent, 3 categories, lost and found, 2 categories. So we have discussed all these categories, and the rest all the categories, remaining categories which we have institutions, tour and travels, and other categories we must discuss it in the next session. Till then, thank you, goodbye.